guys from?
I'm from Myrtle Beach.
This liar.
How do you think I knew it was a beach town?
Yeah, you're right. Myrtle Beach didn't give it away at all.
You said no intro, like no, like.
Yeah, no, don't be formal. So the one thing I noticed is the wood. Is that a thing, or do you paint it, or do you leave it?
I don't know if it's actually going to get painted with. It probably will, but again, it's like it depends, right? If we need it to push
and also,
rents,
will it raise the rents?
It won't. But this is part of the curb appeal, right? Like when you were talking about that property down the street, you were like, "Oh, it's so cute."
Yeah, it's like I want to live there.
Right. So, because if we don't have people coming in the door, it doesn't matter how great the interiors are.
Right. That's a great point.
Got to get them in the door first.
Righty. Welcome to your new home.
Thank you.
So this one is unrenovated?
This is, this is the previous owner's upgraded unit, right? Because it's got the granite, it's got stainless steel.
So this is original cabinets that got painted at some point?
No, they'll get repainted now for our part of our business plan. So we call this unrenovated because it's our unrenovated model.
Okay.
So we'll bring this up, we'll paint the cabinets, reface if we need to.
Okay.
I think all the units have faux flooring, but some of them might not. So we'll bring all these up to
Damn, dude. When do you see an apartment that has this?
This is a sunroom, and if they don't have a sunroom, then it's a balcony. They either have a balcony or a sunroom.
This
so
is
they'll have
great.
this space.
This is like a little office type of thing?
Yeah, and that's actually what I really loved about this, because in COVID, now everybody's working from home.
Yeah, this is great.
And the floor plan, we have the largest floor plan compared to any of our comps.
Damn.
And what I love about that is you can renovate units, right? Like I can put in granite, I can put in hardwood, all that's fine, or LVT, but I can't make the units bigger. So compared to the comps, this is absolutely the best one.
So.
Oh, I have something fun to show you. Have you ever seen a WOW fridge?
A WOW fridge?
A WOW fridge?
No.
Okay, open the fridge.
Wow.
That's what they call a WOW fridge.
Snacks.
Yep, and then usually we'll get like, we'll put like beer, wine,
Amazing.
water. This is not a WOW freezer, but some of our properties have WOW freezers where there'll be like popsicles and ice cream and.
So when people bring
like
their
that.
kids to come look at a spot?
Yep.
So what would this one rent for?
I think we're going to be pushing this. This is the 2-bedroom. I think we're pushing it to $14.29 is the average in the area.
Cody, what would this be in Phoenix?
For $14.29, this would be $1,800 to $2,000.
Yeah, this would be about a $2,000 deal.
Depending where in Phoenix, right?
Depending where, yeah.
Let me look at what it actually is, because
This is phenomenal.
I'm curious about the carpet. I know I'm not Mike, but I'm curious, why is it,
The mic will pick you up.
Okay. What about, why carpet?
why carpet?
Yeah, or would you be replacing the carpet to do?
Usually not in the bedrooms, we don't. We might in some of the units. Again, it kind of depends. But usually having carpet in bedrooms is very normal.
Damn, dude. This is dope. For $1,400?
Yeah, let me look at
I
what.
might just move to North Carolina for this,
I know,
dude.
before you get too excited about it, let me look at actually what our price
Don't tell me it's like $1,100.
$17,000 a month. So right now, when we bought it, it was at $1,262.
Okay.
And we're pushing this to $1,525. $1,500.
Amazing. I love it. This is great.
$1,491 is the average rent across
These are
all
big.
unit types. Yeah, they're huge.
They're really big.
This is over 1,000 square feet.
2 bed, 2 bath, with an office. And this is the unrenovated comp. So most of them look like this or better?
No, so this is the previous owner's renovated comp. So there's one step down from this. So the idea on these types of assets, because they're institutional quality, right? So we're gonna exit to an institutional buyer. They want turnkey and they want everything uniform. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring all the units to the same finish out. So if we brought them to this, it'd be like a half upgrade. So we're gonna take it to the full upgrade. So everything goes to the same level.
I love it.
So.
All right, well, let's walk around. Show me the other stuff.
Let's do it.